four-way flashers on, rears look good. Obviously, I've got a light out in the front, so we're going to replace that today. Now this is where I got to give Dodge a thumbs down the way they set this up. Changing a bloody light bulb is impossible in this thing. First thing we got to do, take this off. So two of those push pins were here, and they help hold your grill on, which is alarmingly pathetic. There's also a couple bolts here, so we're going to pull those out next. Pretty easy to steal somebody's grill off their Dodge. So now we got a couple bolts here and here, and we're going to take those out. Now Dodge has so graciously given us an access port right by the tire that of course we can't get our damn head in unless we jack the thing up. But let's pull that out and see what we got. It's just a pop pin, just like the other ones. Okay, so it's really difficult to see, but that little access port through the back, you're looking for this lever to push it up or down, and you can see when it's up, you get this square hole that this guy fits into, so when you slide it down, it catches on these two edges and holds it in place. And as you saw, you kind of got to pry it out of there, so hang on tight. Okay, now that we got the stupid thing loose, let's change that bulb. Okay, so it's a good idea to have some place to set your light so it's not hanging by the wires. So it should be just this guy here. So this bulb says a 3157A, which is this guy, but it's got a silver sheen to it, so I'm not sure if it's different. Piece of cake. So you'll see this guy here plugs into that socket. And this guy right in here. There you go. Both working. Colors look pretty much the same. I know they're a bit different, but the other one still works, so I'm not going to waste it. Alright, let's put everything else back together. There you go. That only took me maybe 25-30 minutes, give or take. Once you do it once, it's pretty easy. First time around, not so much. RAM, you get a thumbs down for how horribly difficult it is to change a turn signal light bulb or your headlights. I mean, it'd be the same procedure. They could make it way easier than that. However, it's done, not the end of the world. There you go. Enjoy.